Ever wondered what the future holds for the world of gaming and cryptocurrency? We're at the dawn of a new era, where these two powerful trends are intersecting in the most intriguing ways. This isn't your average game of Pac-Man or Candy Crush. It's a whole new ballgame where players can earn while they play, using the power of blockchain technology. From the humble beginnings of Bitcoin to the dynamic world of decentralized finance, cryptocurrency has made its mark. Now, it's shaking up the gaming industry, introducing a whole new paradigm of play-to-earn games. Imagine a world where your gaming achievements aren't just badges of honor, but tangible assets you can trade, sell, or even use as collateral. And then there's the rise of NFTs. These unique digital assets are adding an entirely new dimension to gaming, turning virtual worlds into real economies. Buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of crypto gaming. To understand the future, we must first journey back to the past. In the early days of crypto gaming, we saw a world of potential, a new frontier just waiting to be explored. It all started with a novel concept, Bitcoin, the first of its kind, a decentralized digital currency that opened doors to countless possibilities. Among these possibilities was the idea of incorporating Bitcoin into gaming. Early attempts were relatively simple, integrating Bitcoin as an alternative form of currency in games. These early forays were pioneering yet limited, offering only a glimpse of what could be achieved. But the real revolution began with the advent of Ethereum and smart contracts. This was an evolution from merely incorporating cryptocurrency as a form of payment to creating entire gaming ecosystems based on blockchain technology. Ethereum, with its smart contract functionality, allowed for the creation of decentralized applications, or dApps, including games. These dApps were more than just games. They were self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This allowed for greater transparency, trust, and security in the gaming world. The integration of Ethereum and smart contracts into gaming gave birth to a new generation of games. These weren't your traditional games, where progress was lost once the console was turned off. No, these were games where your progress, achievements, and assets were stored on the blockchain, immutable and transferable. This meant that the sword you won after defeating the dragon, the land you bought, or the character you developed weren't just pixels on a screen, they were digital assets with real-world value. This was the dawn of true crypto gaming, a world where players could invest their time and skills to earn tangible rewards, where the virtual and real economies began to intertwine. And that was just the beginning. The real game changer was yet to come. Enter the era of non-fungible tokens, or as we know them, NFTs. These unique digital assets are transforming the world of crypto gaming, adding layers of depth, complexity, and excitement. Unlike their fungible counterparts, each NFT is unique, possessing its own distinct characteristics and value. This uniqueness and verifiable digital ownership have revolutionized crypto gaming, allowing players to truly own their in-game assets. Imagine playing a game where you possess a rare, one-of-a-kind weapon or avatar. That's the magic of NFTs. They create scarcity in a digital world, adding value to your gaming experience. Popular games like CryptoKitties, Axie Infinity, and Decentraland are prime examples of this phenomenon. These games leverage the power of NFTs, letting players breed virtual pets, battle creatures, or even own virtual land. With NFTs, gaming was never going to be the same again. They've ushered in a new paradigm, where play to earn isn't just possible, it's the norm. So, where are we heading in this thrilling journey of crypto gaming? The horizon of crypto gaming is brimming with potential. The play-to-earn model is gaining momentum, offering gamers not just a chance to have fun, but also a means to earn a living. It's a revolutionary concept that's bringing a new level of engagement and excitement to the digital world. Then we have the metaverses, virtual realities where people can live, work, and play. The integration of blockchain technology into these expansive digital worlds is creating endless opportunities for gamers and investors alike. Imagine owning virtual land, properties, and assets, all represented as NFTs and all with real-world value. The increasing integration of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, is another game changer. These digital assets are unique, scarce, and tradable, making them the perfect tool for gamers to truly own their in-game items and achievements. The future of gaming is here, and it's more exciting than we could have ever imagined. Now that you've had a glimpse into the future of gaming, we'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your take on the play-to-earn concept? Got a favorite NFT game in mind? Or perhaps you're curious about how blockchain technology can revolutionize the gaming industry? Let's get this conversation started. Engage with us by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and sharing your insights in the comments section. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below. Until next time, keep gaming.